Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to AlexBuilds. Today is issue 35 of Build the Titanic, the Ship, the Legend by Hachette Partworks. Okay, so end of the week. Last one for this week, so we've got issue 35, so I'll probably do issue 36 some point over the weekend, either Saturday or Sunday. That will be out. But yeah, this one looks like it could be a quick and easy one. We're doing the gearbox in this one. Okay, so let me flick to what we're actually doing. As you can see, we're getting a gearbox. So basically all we're going to be doing is adding the pins in, adding the cogs in. So putting 4 in first, then we're putting 3 of these in, then this one down in the center here, and it wants us to lube it all up. I don't know, I haven't looked in the box, I don't know if we actually get that with it. I presume if they want us to put lube in there, it would supply it for us. So yeah, we're gonna lube that up, and we're gonna add the final couple of cogs just over these 2 pins here. So yeah, we get to close it up, then we get to put 6-7 CP screws just in there like that, and we're turning it over. As you can see, we do get a couple of these shafts, and we can insert that into there, and we can turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise, and these 2 should move the same way as that one there. So that is all we have to do in this one. So as you can see, there's not too much to do in this one, so this one should be a nice short and sweet, quick and easy video to end the week. And yeah, so if you haven't yet got this, I do believe you can still get it. I don't know what issue from though. You can head on over to Hachette Partworks. I'll put the link down in the description down below, so you can go over and you can check it out yourself. And yeah, I don't think you'll be getting it from issue 1 now though. You might have to get it from like issue 13, 14, and then you have to source the rest yourself. But they do normally sell them on their website, so you might be alright. So yeah, I'll leave that down below. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so we're getting these 2 parts here first. You'd probably think that these are metal, but they're not. They're actually plastic. So yeah, we're gonna have to go with the plastic. So we're gonna start with this side here. We're gonna start adding everything onto here. So we're gonna want the 4 pins, and we're gonna start putting these in. So they go in these 4 slots just here, here, and the same on the opposite side, just here. And here, just like that. So that's the position you want them pins in. Now we can take the 4 cogs that are flat, and we can just lay them over the top. So that's going right there, 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 and the last one is going down there. Now these 2 should be touching, and these 2 just missing each other. Okay, so now we're going to use the 3 big ones, and we're going to start slotting these down. So one's going in this corner, next one in this corner, and the final one in this corner. So it sort of all connects together just like that. Now we can take this longer one, that's going to go just in the center, just there, just like that. Now they do supply a little bag with some sort of liquid in there, and a cotton bud, so we can actually apply some lube onto this. Maybe it was making a squeaky noise when they did it. Now you can use what you want for this. You don't have to use what they've supplied, but yeah, I'm just going to use what they've supplied. So you can probably use some Vaseline or something like that. I get that all over there. So you got something like that. Don't know how big of a difference that'll make, but I'm sure they've done that for a reason. So now we've got the 2 little ones now. So one of them is going here. So we'll slot that one in. And the other one is going into here as well. So we'll slot that one into there. Now that one can move in that channel down there. Slide out. Sort of like that. Now we can take the back edge and we can slide this into there. Just like that. And as you can see, we've got all the holes here. That's for the screws that they've supplied, which are CP screws, so we can put them in now. So let's start doing this. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. One at the top here. And then one either side, so one in here. Don't want to over tighten them, but just make sure it's tight enough that it's not going to come apart. And this side as well. So that is what we should have up until this point. Now in this little part here we do have a couple of shafts, as you can see. We only need to use one of them, so we're going to pick one of them, slide that into place, and as we turn this, all of the cogs should move freely, just like that. So I don't know if you can make that out. That one's turning, and that one's turning as well. So yeah, very, very good. Everything's working as it should. So with that, that is this issue all complete. So there you are, guys. That is issue 35 all complete. I will start probably in a minute and do issue 36 and probably have that one out over the weekend. So do have a good weekend, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.